Once you have imported your references into Mendeley, it's a good idea to organize them using folders and tags. This will help you quickly find the papers you need when working on research projects or writing papers. To group references by topic, project, or course, you can create folders, also called collection. Simply click on Create Collection, give it a name, and start dragging and dropping references into it. Or select multiple references using the checkbox, then click Organize. In the Action panel, choose Add to Collection, select the folder and click Add. You can also create subfolders to add more structure. Tags are another great way to stay organized. It allows you to label references with multiple keywords. For example, you could tag a paper with machine learning, neural networks, and 2023. Tags make filtering and finding papers faster, especially when your library grows.